Is it possible for me to pour water from one of these cups to the other without holding them directly next to each other or above each other? Keep watching to find out. Welcome back to Science at 6 with Cambridge Science Centre, and thank you for joining us for Series 2. We are looking forward to bringing you lots more fun science activities that you can give a go at home. My name is Katy and I am this week's presenter in the centre. You can find out where to get our activities in the description below, and if you have a go at any of our activities, you can email us your results or questions to OpenUpScience@cambridgesciencecentre.org or tag us on social media. Today is all about moving water. I have two cups here labelled A and B, and I want to move the water from A to cup B, but with a twist. They can't be directly next to each other or above each other. But spilling the water or just simply letting it run across the table don't sound like great plans, and instead I will be using a piece of string. So first you'll need to submerge the piece of string in the water for a couple of minutes, just to make sure it is saturated, which is what I have been doing. And after that we need to take the string out and tape it to one end of the bottom of cup B, which has no water in it. So I will do that now. See, I've now taped the string to the bottom of the cup. One extra thing you can do is put some food colouring in the other cup, just so you can see what happens next a bit more easily. So I'm going to get the other end of the string and submerge it back in the water. And the next step is a little bit more fiddly, so make sure you watch carefully. You need to make sure you can pinch the string inside the water against the side of the cup and making sure it will stay submerged, while still being able to pick up the cup and tip it. So once that's ready, you can then lift cup A up and try and pour the water from this into cup B. So I'll give it a go now and see if I can get the water to move successfully. So if you can see, the water is moving down the string and into cup B, and I'm not spilling any on the table. Sometimes a little bit will spill, but as you can tell, most of the time it is quite successful. You've just got to be quite careful with how you tilt the cup. But just how does this work? It is all to do with two forces called adhesion and cohesion. Adhesion is the attraction between different substances, and cohesion is the attraction between molecules of the same substance. Water is cohesive as water molecules attract other water molecules. This means when the first water molecules flowed down the string, the others followed. Adhesion is the other force acting on this experiment, and this is very important, as without it, the water would just simply fall straight on the table. Water is attracted to other substances, in this case, the string. And as long as we poured the water out slowly, the adhesive force between the water and the string was strong enough to resist the gravity trying to pull the water straight down. This means the water stayed on the string and moved to the other cup. These forces occur due to the structure of water molecules. Each molecule has 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. The positively charged hydrogen atoms from one molecule will attract the negatively charged oxygen atoms from the other. This means that the water molecules will stick to each other and other substances. So you can give this a go at home, and you could even try it with different lengths of string or maybe different liquids. But make sure to get an adult's permission, as not all liquids may act in the same way. So if you do give this a go at home, let us know how you get on, either via social media or by emailing, and don't forget to tune in next Monday for more Science at 6. Bye!